We're here at Lousy Productions garage today, doing a little motorcycle wiring. Thought I'd show you guys how I do it. This is a fast and dirty. Wiring up a license plate light. I've already isolated my wires. In fact, I've already done one. Oh, before I forget, grab me a little piece of the shrink tube. And trust me, I have forgotten and done this same process repeatedly. Take my wires to the best of my ability, probably blocking everything the camera can see. Got me a good little bond, like so. Got my soldering iron and electronic specific solder. This is the stuff you want. Don't use plumbing solder. It's wrong. It doesn't conduct electricity right. It's way too thick. It'll cause an impedance. Want to see that our solder is wetting on the tip. Just get a nice little bit in there, hoping to combine these two wires. Now we got a nice little bit on there, actually a little bit more than maybe we even need. Let's check it. We got a nice connection there. Turn this wire over a little bit. Drop a ball of solder. Just moving that solder around until I think I've got a good connection. Looks pretty good. 3 sides anyway. Good enough for who it's for. Just trying to have cool stuff. Let our connection cool down. I don't know, maybe some guys go in, clean that up even further. Shrink tape. Creme brulee torch. When it works. Work, you fuck. Burn my wires a little bit. Fucking great. Wow. Probably nice to someday get a heat gun at Lousy Productions garage. And bam, we're done. Now I'll wrap all this up with our friendly neighborhood electric tape and check how, let's check our work. Looks like she works pretty good. That's the quick and dirty with Bleak Rides. Now you can solder on your bike.